So in this video, I'm going to go over this kind of small hydration backpack from the company CLTAC is the name of it. Now it's technically kind of like a little tactical backpack, but what I'm going to be using it for mostly is biking. But I think it'd be a great option for anyone that's doing any hiking or maybe just kind of like trekking, maybe some bushcrafting or something like that. This is a front pack. I really like the fact that it gave this front pack because you can put your phone or radio down in there and random stuff down in here. Now this front piece right here is for patches, so you can put your favorite patches on there and just open it up. Let's see what all's down in here too. Look at all the different stuff in here. So that's like a shoulder type strap right there. It also has a patch on it for that too, so very handy on that. Look at all of the package, the kind of like Molle straps in here, little extra things. Because like I said, the thing with this one, it's a front mount pack. So you want to be able to have like your wallet, your keys, your phone, maybe a power bank or something like that, or a passport maybe if you wanted to put that down in there. Now this right here is actually a hydration pack. So back here is what I'm going to be using for my biking. So when I'm doing some biking, whether I'm just e-biking around or something, I'm going to be filling that up with water, using that as my hydration pack. This right here could hold some shoes or maybe some extra equipment. And back here is like a quick accessible. You could use just this by itself or run them in tandem like this. Now I use this, I went biking with it, and what a handy item this thing is for anyone that's doing any type of off-road biking or trekking through the woods, or you know what, maybe even going shopping. How about that? So yeah, there it is everybody. That's all I got on, you know, the hydration backpack from CLTAC. I'm going to be using this in my future, that's for sure. See y'all in the next video.